What's happening, boys?
It's happening.
We're back to the crack.
Video number 2.
Video number 2. It's the first real video, like actually filming the car. But before we get into filming the car, mate, we need to say something to all the audience.
Just need to say a big thank you for all the engagement. The engagement's been crazy. We were only expecting, what, 50 views? But we ended up with just nigh on 300. We're smashing with the subscribers, the likes, the messages we're getting crazy.
38 subscribers
More
for having just having a channel intro up, no car related content so far. 38 subscribers in a week as well, mate. You're just smashing it. And it gives us more insight into like what we want to show you guys. We know that we do have an audience for us.
Yeah.
We're filming this on a Port Sunday. It's it's Easter Sunday, and all the lads are at the port in Lansdowne. Just mate, from what I've seen, the lineup is sick. Like the D's Turbos, the Mark 4s that turned out, mate. I wish I was there. Honestly, it's sick. So all the lads that are at port right now, I hope you enjoy it. Like, hope you all make it back. If you cross the water, I hope you make it back in one piece. If you drive a silver 5-door Mark 4, please fall off the boat and never return. Like, but it's all right though, lads. And I know my head looks different. I've got the Snickers Salim Shady look going on. Salim. It's all right though, lads.
Show him the back. Go on, show him the back.
It's ginger. It's a bit ginger on the back, lads. But you know what it is?
Ice Spice.
If you've seen Johnny Test or Ice Spice, I'm going for both looks.
Crazy.
But with all that said, mate, this is the first real car video. We're showing off this Mark 4 Golf that it's just like a pre-build showcase, showing off the car before we get modifying it. It is dirty, mate. It's been sat on the road outside my house for months. I bought it in like October or something. Yeah. Just left it there since. Yeah. But this video is just to show you like the car beforehand, before we get all the kit on, because the next video is actually get into not fixing the car, get into modifying the car, and it's going to be a massive, like even the first video is a massive transformation. So this is just like a before, and then we'll have an after showcase as well at the end of the series. But yeah, that's that. We'll get to showing you the car now, mate.
Yo, I'm Bizzle on the cam. What are you saying?
So start off with like, I bought this car probably October, before the winter. And I've had it for ages, and it's just sat on, not the driveway, literally just on the road, because I want to save the build for the channel. The basics, you know the basics. It's a 3-door Mark 4 Golf with a sunroof, of course. Every time I find a 3-door black sunroof, I buy it. And that is just like an addiction that I have. But it's my favourite colour, LC9Z. I think it's Black Magic or Diamond Black, whatever. But it's my favourite colour for the Mark 4s. Like, got the Montreals on. If anyone wants Montreals, right, grey Montreals, like they're all yours. I will happily swap them for sports or anything cool. It's real dirty because I haven't washed it, and I don't plan to until the first video where we're actually like doing mechanical stuff on it. But GTI, because it is a 150. We're living in a different tax bracket now, lads. 150, bams in the grass. real bag, real style for the content. Oh my, bro, this, you know what it is? It's quality though, isn't it? Golf, interior, diabolical work, lads. When I say it's a tip, it's a tip. It's like a shed. Feel free to show the interior, like, I've got no embarrassment about it. It's as bad as they come. It's like someone's died in there, someone probably will, right? What else can I say about it? Like, I'll show you the engine bay, of course. Oh, if you come on here, bam. See, the headlight's fairly clear for a Mark 4 Golf. All the real cool lads know what this is. When you have the vent on the sides there, that's the 150 ARL splitter. Sick. Bring it on to the inside, like, bam. There's not loads to show in here. We've got the emotional support shock, because mate, it gets tough like in the Mark 4s, like, I'll be sure. Mate, the seats, let me show you the seats. It's like someone spaffed of it. That's my 12mm. It's like someone spaffed all over the seats. As you would though, it is a sunroof 150, like it doesn't get much better than this. It's just as rough as they come, mate. But it's got the spec, you know, it's the GTI, so it's got the, you know, the wood trim and that. It's got the wood trim. In fact, I'll take the camera here. So it's got the wood trim. The 3-spoke steering wheel, lads. This is the coolest wheel you can get for the Mark 4s if you don't go R32. Actually, I like the anniversary ones, but 217k, mate. It's not a show pony. It's not a show pony, but it's not supposed to be. See, only the cool lads have this, right? The little sunroof switch. But coming back out of the car, I'll show you under the bonnet, of course. And I know it's like horrifically dirty, but lads, these things happen. Some of the best things in life are dirty, mate. The strut also needs replaced. It is, oh my god, Alvin the Chipmunks and them lads being cut about in the engine bay, like, but it's now that bit of smashing their heads in doesn't fix, like. You see this here, lads? This here, it means you're a real gangster, because that's a 150 pipe. The 130s to go down here. Put the camera on me for a second. Just want to say, lads, I don't know if I'm a 150 guy. I feel like 130s are the coolest. Cheaper insurance, and you can put a front mount on it. 150 is like, it's cool for like 190, 200 brake. Obviously, you stick some skinny sports on, sick file, mate. You're doing reverse to first outside your grandma's house, just having heart attacks and that. It's sick, like. But regardless, you know, 130, 150, they all get reeked, they all get girls. It's a win-win scenario. If it's 1.9, mate, you're always on time. That's the way it goes, like. But there's not much else I can show you. I fixed the tandem pump on it, like. Oh, mate. I fixed the tandem pump because it was leaking. Ended up driving, where did we get it from? We got it from like southeast, oh no. It was like the northeast, not this northeast, but like somewhere on the coast. Bought it 4 hours away, mate. And we drove it with like no oil in it because all the diesel leaked into the oil, right? We were driving on pure diesel, mate, and it still made it back. It sounds a bit cammy, but you know what, lads? It's an outlet a new cam can't fix. I'll start it up here. You'll notice white smoke, and not to be alarmed, it's gangster. The glow plugs are on the way out, but not gonna get fixed because the first video, mate, a lot of cool stuff is going on in this car. Is it gonna be fully repaired and road legal? No. Is it gonna look sick? Yes, cause GTI lights as well. Although it's got a little like crack on it, but GTI lights. But it's gonna be the full build. Like I'm real excited. Not much else I can show you, like, it's just a real cool motor. 3-door back sunroof, mate, with the full kit. Doesn't get better than that. When I say full kit, I mean like the full, everything that you can change on a Mark 4 to get it like port ready, I suppose, will be done. And speaking of port, today is Port Sunday. We couldn't make it because life is real busy right now. And also this car's not ready. You know what it is about Mark 4s, right? When they don't have a spoiler, it looks like a 40-year-old man with a receding hairline. And I don't like them. I need it to look like Megan Fox, mate. Not like Vin Diesel, man. But we'll get that fixed. In fact, if you have a GTI spoiler, please let me know because I can't find any. They've disappeared. So shout me. And if you have an Ottinger grill with the little window on the side, also let me know. But that's that. Like it's a cool motor. I'm real excited. But I'm just gonna quickly go like dance on it quickly. To show you that it does get birds and that. Just a little, oh mate, like to be fair though, like he's got it on though. He's eating the tarmac and that, it's the tarmac eater and that, you know how it goes. So that's that for that video. Thanks for watching. The next video that you'll see uploaded to the channel is going to be actually working on the car and getting everything that we've planned done to the car, which is something we're both excited for. Can't wait. Make sure to like and subscribe and go follow our TikTok and our Instagram. They've been doing numbers. The links will be in the description. We massively appreciate all the engagement that we've been having and keep it up. Just keep up all the comments, keep up all the likes. And if you've got to this point in the video, drop a comment just saying Salim Shady. That's all we want to see is Salim Shady. Salim Shady, man. Salim Shady. But no, that's that. So thanks for watching. Thanks again for all the engagement. You're just smashing it. We're filming these videos. We're enjoying filming it, and we're filming it for you guys. So the fact that you're enjoying it as much as we are, it means the world to us. Like, so keep it up, lads, and we'll catch you in the next one. Safe. Safe. That there is something to get you little freaks excited about. It's coming. It's getting kit. It's getting cool. There's some stuff on it at the minute. It's not staying. Them wheels. Jank. It's real English spec, like. They're real English spec, but that's all you're getting. We're not giving you any more information. Just keep an eye out for that.
that thing's first. That's coming first. That's getting
Soon
kicked.
after.
And that's it's just showing up, to be honest. We didn't know we were getting it. And Megan Fox is frothing. So that's
Frothing, mate, frothing.